Our issue today is desertification. Desertification has many pros and cons. Some pros and cons include reduction in plant biomass, decrease in biodiversity, increase in soil erosion, decrease in fertile soil for crops. Some pros include increase in habitat size for desert organisms. Desertification is taking place almost all over the world. One main example is the Amazon rainforest. A tropical rainforest is characterized by warm temperatures and large amounts of rainfall throughout the year. The Amazon rainforest is the largest of its kind and it's facing a huge problem. With the increase in global warming along with human impacts and decrease in rainfall, the rainforest is on pace to turn into a desert 40 years from now. Desertification varies in its consequences based on its location. For example, Brazil heavily relies on the Amazon rainforest for the growth of its economy. On the other hand, approximately 30% of the US is facing desertification, but the US economy is able to deal with it due to their diversity in its economy.
Many organisms are being affected by desertification both positively and negatively. Animals and plants that exist in the tropical rainforest biome are losing more and more room to live due to human impact along with the increase in global warming and decrease in rainfall. This results in a decrease in biodiversity, although animals and plants that exist in the desert biome are being given more and more living space, which allows an increase in biodiversity in the desert biome. Deserts cover 65% of Africa. 33% of this is uninhabited due to the desert's lack of water. According to the United Nations agencies, desertification affects 1.5 billion people around the world.
According to The Guardian, it is quite a shock when somebody presents an argument that desertification is not real, at least not in the way it has been explained. Scientifically, it's a meaningless and undefinable concept. The so-called desertification of the Sahel that created the scare happened for quite other reasons, and wasn't irreversible. What's more, the standard policies to reverse desertification do more harm than good, to the environment and to the people. In order to correct this misunderstanding, you must comprehend that landlocked countries that are in a desert are forced to have smaller economies and population sizes due to the inaccessibility of water and resources as whole. So when desertification is reversed, it might cause harm, although benefits strongly outweigh the negative possibilities. Deserts are known to have little to no water, although when a fertile spot is spotted in a desert, it is known as an oasis.
The UN started the United Nations Decade for Deserts, which started from 2010 and is supposed to achieve its goal by 2020. The purpose for this organization was to mobilize global action to fight desertification and protect drylands all around the world. Desertification can be diminished and/or prevented in the future. This can be done by decreasing overgrazing, deforestation, agriculture, which places soils in areas more vulnerable to wind, and have smarter usage of non-renewable resources. Students like me and you can get involved by creating petitions against desertification along with a yearly protest. Deserts aren't great, let's change our fate.
Foxy in the house. First things first, I'm a desert. Drop those trees and the whole world feel it. And I'm still in the forest cutting business, yeah. Can't hold you down like I'm giving the trees the business, yeah. Shouldn't wanna see the world like this, yeah. Drop a tree and pick it up just like this, yeah. Couple snakes, couple birds, couple monkeys, yeah. High trees, something worth for the organism to exist, yeah. Taking in all the nutrients the trees trying to chase that. We can't bring them trees back. Bring the hooks in where the piranha's at. Desertification ain't spilling, you can only feel the temp.